Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Bottom left bezel. Battery. Solid-state drive. Fan. Top right bezel. Volume button board. Right speaker. Top left bezel. Heatsink. Rear-facing webcam. And system board. Removal. Peel back the metallic shielding that secures the right wireless antenna assembly to the display enclosure. Remove the two 3.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the right wireless antenna assembly to the display enclosure. Lift the right edge of the right wireless antenna assembly and remove it from under the retention tab on the display enclosure. Remove the right wireless antenna assembly. The left wireless antenna assembly is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Tow the right wireless antenna assembly under the retention tab on the display enclosure and lower it into position. Place the wireless LAN antenna transceivers into position and apply pressure to adhere them to the display enclosure. Replace the two 3.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the right wireless antenna assembly to the display enclosure. Replace the metallic shielding that secures the right wireless antenna assembly to the display enclosure. The left wireless antenna assembly is replaced in the same manner.